everybody, and welcome back to my channel. How are you this lovely day? Well, if you ask me, I'm fine and I'm ready to present to you 7 of my favorite websites, and this time they literally present a collection of tools, and you'll see what I mean by that. You know, sometimes I have collections with colors, or sometimes about typography, or sometimes about images and stock photos, but this time I have a collection about collections. How cool is that? Are you ready to watch this video? Then let's start. So the first one is prototype.io. And there is a collection of tools to help designers craft delightful experience. It's a new website, but they really have a ton of tools. You can find pretty much anything inside here. They have things about colors or typography, as I said earlier, or they also have some inspiration and articles. I will leave in the description box all the links for these collections, so you will be able to find them and search them by your own. They also have here some trending topics, and other websites I don't think that they really have something like this. So I think that from these 7 collections that I'm going to show you today, my favorite one is prototype.io. Let's continue with the second one, which is called San Francisco, a collection of tools to help designers craft delightful experiences. They have user research, typography, color palette, iconography, stock photos, inspiration, prototyping, presentation, and collaboration. You have the recently added, and it's very easy to navigate and search whatever you may like. For example, in color palette, they have the color hand, SIP, flat UI colors, and many more. The third one is provided by the illustration.tools. Here you have menu with tools, online course, community, and what's new, but I guess you are more interested in the sub-menu, which have all tools and articles. Here I'm on the category of tools, and as you can see, there are peculiar, which is about colors, later, rubber hose, and a lot more. Some of them I'm familiar, some of them I don't know, it's the first time I'm seeing them, so that's why I like collections, because it's an easy way to learn new cool things. And also, if you have any other cool thing, just leave it in the comments and I will check it out. Alright, and now we have shortcuts.design. Every shortcut for designers in one place. So you have shortcuts for PS, Photoshop, Illustrator, InVisio, and Sketch, or whatever. I think that shortcuts are really useful and they make your work a lot of quicker and a lot of easier. Sometimes there are a lot of shortcuts and it's not easy to use them, but if you learn them, then it will be a lot of easier. For example, at my work we use Sublime, and at first I didn't know the hotkeys, but then I learned them and everything was quicker, much quicker. Okay, let's continue with another one. So here we have uigoodies.com, and they have goodies about accessibility, animation, audio, color, content, design systems, icons and symbols, lightweight UI frameworks, mockups, patterns and backgrounds, photography, UI kits, library, and video. I really like this site, and I've been using it quite a lot the last days. So let's just click on animation and see what we can find inside here. Actually, this is a tablet I don't really usually use, because I don't have a lot of animation things to do in my everyday life, but I think that this will be an interesting one. So in every category, first you have the editor's pick. And for example, in this situation is animated CSS and then keyframes, and as you continue you will see some other things, some other tools like Keyshape, Animesta, and for example this Animesta one, I think that I have referred to it in a previous video. I use this one and I like it. Then you have your hamburgers and a lot more. Again, a website that I found really useful. Let's continue with another one, designbetterbusinesses.tools. A weird UI design for this website. I mean, this is a bright yellow. You don't see this one usually, but you have all the tools you need to design your business. So these are categorized by prepare, point of view, understand, ideate, prototype, validate, scale, and these two more like uncertainty and visualization. Again, I like this one. They have a lot of things that they can help you. For example, like let's say persona canvas. I know that a lot of UX designers, especially if they are in the beginning of their career, don't know how to sketch the personas, what they should include. So maybe they can go here and find what works best for them. And last but not least, we have the Guide to UXR. This is a guide to user experience, a curated collection of 250 plus resources and tools dedicated to user research. But let's click on maybe card sorting. In card sorting, you have in a few words, step by step, deep dive, word tools, books, and back to categories. I think that was my favorite tool or a collection of tools, and I would suggest you to visit all of these websites, or at least if you are a developer or a designer that's looking for new cool things. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even also share. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day.